This video, we will see the product review of Samsung Galaxy F15 5G. The Samsung Galaxy F15 5G is an affordable 5G smartphone. It is designed for users who need fast internet, a large display, and a long-lasting battery. It is a great choice for students, office workers, and casual users looking for a budget-friendly yet powerful smartphone. This smartphone display has 6.6-inch AMOLED screen with full HD plus resolution for bright and clear visuals. Processor is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6100 plus chipset, which ensures smooth performance for daily tasks and moderate gaming. This smartphone comes in 4GB, 6GB, or 8GB RAM with 128GB internal storage, and it is expandable via micro SD card. This smartphone has rear camera and front camera. Rear camera has 50 MB main sensor, 5 MB ultra-wide lens, and 2 MB depth sensor, which allows for versatile photography options. This smartphone has 13 MB front-facing camera, which is suitable for selfies and video calls. This smartphone has 6000 mAh battery for all-day usage with 25-watt fast charging. This smartphone runs on Android 14 operating system with Samsung's One UI 6 for smooth experience. This smartphone supports 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, USB Type-C, and 3.5 mm headphone jack. This smartphone has side-mounted fingerprint scanner and face unlock for easy access. This smartphone has a sleek and stylish design with a modern look. What are the good things about this phone? First point is 5G connectivity. Faster internet speeds for streaming, gaming, and downloads. Second point is AMOLED display. Vibrant colors and deep blacks for better viewing experience. Third point is big 6000 mAh battery. Last more than a day with normal usage. Fourth point is decent camera performance. The 50 MB main camera captures good quality photos. Fifth point is expandable storage. Supports micro SD cards up to 1 terabyte. Sixth point is affordable price. Good features at a budget friendly price. What are the cons of this smartphone? First point is slow charging. 25-watt fast charging is decent, but not the fastest in the market. Second point is plastic build. The phone may not feel as premium as metal or glass models. Third point is no ultra wide camera, only has main, depth, and macro sensors. What are the customer positive feedbacks? Users like 5G connectivity as it provides faster internet speeds. The battery life is excellent, lasting more than a day on a single charge. People enjoy the AMOLED display, which offers better colors than LCD screens. The camera is decent for the price, especially for daylight shots. In India, the price ranges from 12,500 rupees to 15,500 rupees. In US, the price ranges from $140 to $180.